Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Mega Login not working issues in 2026. If you can't sign into your account, your credentials are being rejected, or the login page keeps loading without success, this guide will help you fix the problem step by step. First, double-check your email address and password. Even a small typing mistake can prevent you from logging in successfully. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or interrupted connection can interfere with the authentication process. Now try refreshing the page or restarting the Mega application. Temporary server communication issues can sometimes be resolved with a quick restart. If you can't remember your password, use the password recovery option and follow the account recovery instructions provided by Mega. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies if you're using the web version. Corrupted browser data can sometimes cause login failures. Now try signing in using a different browser or an incognito window. This can help identify whether the issue is related to browser settings or extensions. Next, temporarily disable VPN services, proxy connections, or security extensions that may interfere with the login process. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Mega application if you're accessing your account through the desktop or mobile app. Now sign out of any other active sessions if possible, and then attempt to log in again with a fresh session. Finally, if the issue continues, wait a few minutes and try again, as temporary server issues can occasionally affect account access. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Mega Login not working issues. You should now be able to access your account normally and continue managing your files. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.